Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. Today in this video, we will discuss something very important, the new CBSE paper pattern of class 10 for social science. Today we'll discuss all the major changes of paper pattern that you can prepare well in advance. Let us understand the new paper pattern of social science. There will be 32 questions in total, and question paper will have 5 sections, A, B, C, D, and E. And time will be 3 hours as usual, and there will be no overall choice in the question paper, but internal choice will be there. Let us see the distribution of paper. There will be 5 sections as you are seeing here. So section A, there will be 16 questions of 1 mark each, total 16 marks. Section B, there will be 6 questions of 3 marks each. So total there will be 18 marks in section B. Section C, there will be 4 questions of 4 marks. Total section C will be of 16 marks. Section D, there will be 5 questions of 5 marks. So it will be of 25 marks. Section E, there will be only 1 question of 5 marks, that will be map based, so it will be of 5 marks. So in total, in the social science papers, in all 5 sections, there will be 32 questions of 80 marks. Now section A, as I told you, it will be having objective type questions. Different kind of objective types will be asked, like some multiple choice questions, MCQ, fill in the blanks, definitions, data presentation, some one-word answers, and assertion and reason will be asked. And in section B, 3 marks, short questions will be asked. When I say there should be short question and its word limit should not exceed 80 words. But mind it well, students, you should not skip any important topic. This kind of 3 marks question should be written in 3 important points. The content should not be curtailed. All the important points and introduction you should mention in that. So section C will be of 4 marks each, 4 questions. Total will be of 16 marks. So these 4 questions will be source based and comprehension type. In social science, there are 4 books: history, geography, civics, and economics. From each book, 1 comprehension has been taken, और ये सब comprehension book में से ही ली गई हैं, NCERT टेक्स्ट बुक में से, और उसके ऊपर 4 मार्क का एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है जो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बेस्ड है, और उस 4 मार्क में MCQ ही हैं, बहुत सारे ऑल्टरनेटिव दिए हुए हैं, आपको उसमें से एक ऑप्शन चूज करना है. सो 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस होंगे, जो कि एक क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क का होगा. सो इट शुड नॉट एक्सीड, द वर्ड शुड नॉट एक्सीड 120. अगेन आई विल आस्क यू स्टूडेंट्स कि यहाँ पर आपको बड़ी इंप्रेसिव इंट्रोडक्शन, 5 हेडिंग्स, सब हेडिंग्स, आपको पूरा डिटेल्ड एक लॉन्ग आंसर लिखना होगा, और उसके बाद में कंक्लूजन भी ऐड करना होगा टू मेक इट अ नाइस इंप्रेसिव क्वेश्चन. सो इट शुड नॉट be a small or cut short of a type of question. Last question, ये मैप बेस्ड होगा, ये 5 मार्क का है. इसमें 32.1 पार्ट जो है वो हिस्ट्री के 2 मार्क्स हैं, 32.2 जो होगा वो ज्योग्राफी का 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है. जनरली हिस्ट्री में से 2 पार्ट्स, 2 आइटम्स मैप में ऑलरेडी मेंशन होंगे और आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने होंगे, और ज्योग्राफी में 3 आइटम्स आपको लेबल करने होंगे और लोकेट खुद से ही करने होंगे. लोकेशन एंड लेबलिंग टू बी डन इन ज्योग्राफी, एंड इन हिस्ट्री ओनली आइडेंटिफिकेशन टू बी डन. सो दिस वे 80 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन पेपर विल बी देयर. आइए अभी मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर भी दिखा देती हूँ. I'll show you the question paper. This is the sample paper of 2021 Social Science Class 10. Let us see the first section A. Section A, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप 16 मार्क्स. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर MCQ पूछे गए हैं, सम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. अगेन एमसीक्यूज, यहाँ पर एक डेफिनेशन भी पूछी गई है जो कि सिविक्स में से है. Then data presentation, again a small paragraph is there and out of that questions have been asked, and internal choice is given. Even in 1 mark internal choice is given. Then MCQs, and last question is assertion and reason. अब assertion में statement दी हुई है, different people have different development goals. So the reason is people want freedom, equality, security, and respect. So now you have to tell both A and R, assertion and reason are correct explanation, or both are true, both are false, something like that. It's very simple and easy. The only thing is you must have the understanding of concept, and these questions are more of application type. So the tip for this is you must read the NCERT textbook cover to cover 3 times. Minimum 3 times you have to read. You cannot skip even a single page. Whatever case studies are given, do you know, whatever information is given in the NCERT textbook, you are supposed to read it completely and thoroughly. In section B, 3 marks each. So these are short answer type. Minimum 3 points should be mentioned with the introduction. So internal choice is given again, 6 questions. Then comes the section C, 4 marks each. 1 comprehension is asked from each book. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो ये भी comprehension के question MCQ based है. सिर्फ 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे गए एक पैराग्राफ में से, and in all options are given. So all these MCQs, and this is the last paragraph. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं ये फोर्ड मोटर्स का पैराग्राफ जो है ग्लोबलाइजेशन चैप्टर में से लिया हुआ है. All these paragraphs are from the NCERT textbook only, and very simple application based questions have been asked out of that. Then comes the section D. There are long 5 marks, 5 questions. So you are supposed to write in detail. It can be 2 plus 3 also, or directly 5 marks. 5 points you are supposed to write, 5 headings, subheadings. It should be a long answer. यहाँ पे internal choice दी हुई है 2 questions में. Then comes the section E, map skill based question, 2 plus 3, like Indian National Congress session at this place in 1927. So place will be marked already. You have to identify where is it, what is the name of that place. Then comes geography. 5 items are asked. Out of that, choice is given only 3. You have to locate and label in the map of India. So this way 80 marks question gets over. This is the map. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हो 2 places already marked है. ये हिस्ट्री के हैं, आपको सिर्फ पहचानने हैं कि which are these places, और 3 marks आपको खुद 3 points ज्योग्राफी के खुद लोकेट करने हैं और उनको लेबल करना है. This way 80 marks paper will be asked. I hope you are clear. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll discuss the map content of geography and history. Thank you very much.